Oh my god, you should have seen her.
Tiffy.
My mom had
Tiffany.
brought groceries home and she puts the cereal in like 7 different containers or 4 containers. So she had the empty box on the floor. She was all the way inside me in the bag looking for crumbs. Oh my! She pulls her head out. She
Say hey to everybody. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Like looking at crumbs.
That's a good girl.
Oh my god, it was so funny.
She's funny.
She's scrapping.
Yes, she is. Tiff.
Hey, Tiffy. Sit. Good girl. Yes, you are.
Oh, I got it right in the midst of sitting.
Here, hold her for your mom so she can take a picture. Come here. Tiff.
She wants to gallop. What do you mean?
Oh, there she goes behind.
Behind the couch?
Yeah. Maybe she'll find her bone back there. She wants to play. Oh, I almost had her.
Yeah, she's bolt. Oh my god. I can't even get like a...
He's in there. He's not in there. Okay. We're going to reach in.
She won't get her whole body in. There she goes.
Tiffany, get over here. Tiffany. Where is he, honey? There we go.
There she comes. Let's get a nice little glimpse of the jug. Part Jack Russell, part pug right there.
Aww.
Oh, come here.
Hey, so pretty first.
Go,
No,
puppy.
she wants to take a picture. Tiff.
Let's go, pup.
Aww. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
About 3 months old.
She's almost 6 months back.
Oh. No, she's not.
Yes, in March.
Yeah. Go, pup.
Sniffy.
Sniffing like, put me down, I want to play.
Oops. Usually she'll hold this and still.
Tiffany.
Tiffy, Tiff. She's like, hurry up and take the picture. I'm not going to hold. Oh. Oh, you missed it.
He's a good
gotta
pup.
reach it.
Good
Yeah.
puppy.
That's all right.
Good pup.
Tiff.